you this promise. Oh yeah. Thank you, Jah, for perfection. Thank you, Jah.
Nice ducks, people. Ah, ducks in the water. See all those ducks? Oh yeah. These ducks are hungry. Look at the hungry peeps. But it's a beautiful. Looking for food. Next time, guys, I bring some food for you guys. So lovely, so nice. Ducks are taking a shower. Oh. Beautiful. Look at this, peeps. I could just grab him. I could grab him right now and have a dinner. Wow. Duck soup. I never tried duck soup before, but that was the best time to try some duck soup. Look how nice these birds are. Oh, peeps. One love giving you guys. Wow. Natural nature. Natural nature, peeps. It's amazing. Look at that. Can't want more than this. This is a show for ER. Oh, yes. Beautiful. One love, people. Don't afraid to subscribe. Don't be afraid to subscribe and give a thumbs up. And guys, don't watch the videos and don't subscribe, please, guys. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up and show ER some love, because ER always give you guys different content at all times. Spice it up. Oh yes. Okay, guys, so ER just want to say bye bye for now, and duckies, I'll see you guys around. Bye bye for now, peeps.